Hello there. Thanks for stopping by. I'm on the rhubarb again. So good. I love it. It's like nature's candy. Oh, oh, so good though. Anyway, today I'm gonna do a little review video on this earthwise 8.5 amp electric tiller cultivator. I have owned this this will be the third year at least. I gotta say, I'm a little surprised. It's still going. Got me thinking about it again because let's see, I seen in in the local Menards ad, they're still selling the same thing. That one, about 90 bucks. I think when I bought it, it was 120 with like a $30 rebate, if I'm remembering right. This thing seems to have plenty of power. I mean, it's nothing huge, but it will get the job done if you're patient enough. Here's a good thing to note on any tiller. On your drive tines here, roots tend to get wrapped around these, and that will destroy your bearings on any tiller. Also, I'm glad I did check the transmission fluid on here, because it was nearly bone dry. For some reason there is two bolts you can take out. One must be for draining and one must be for the top off level. Anyways, it's kind of funny. The owner's manual, it does not specify what type of gear lube to use. Add approximately 2.4 ounces of auto gear lube. Do not overfill. Well, there's different kinds of auto gear lube. This is what I used in my old Troy-Bilt tiller, 8090. Think she'll be just fine. Let's see, I think I'll put her in action here. See if ooh, rhubarb burps. Yummy. See if I can catch how this baby works. Is that gonna work? Nice thing about this is you don't gotta gas it up. You just gotta plug an extension cord in, and I do recommend 12 gauge extension cord. course, it's going to take a little longer to till a big area up than with a bigger $500 or $1,000 tiller, but it works. See if I can get from another angle here. Oh, look, it's a chicken. The little guy does give you a little bit of a workout, but that's pretty common with any front tine tiller. I used to have a gas front tine tiller. That thing would really wear you out. This thing's actually surprisingly heavy for what it is. It does bounce around quite a bit, but what do you expect? And it does have safety features like everything does nowadays. Safety lock before you can actually pull the trigger. It's impossible to do with two hands pretty much, with one hand. Yeah, I guess I'd give it 2 thumbs up. If the gear set or the motor started on fire right now, I mean, I wouldn't be too let down. I got my 80 or 90 bucks worth out of it. So, as far as I know, it's only Menards that sells the Earthwise brand, but so it may be a Menards brand only. Anyways, 2 thumbs up. 1, 2. Buy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, you know, if you want to see more weird videos.